Hello friends, today we are going to talk about 15 best live video streaming software. In recent years, we have entered a very exciting time for online video which is taking over the internet and users are watching more content online than ever before. Online video streaming is a helpful tool for all sort of organization. Many businesses use live and on-demand streaming content to better connect with their audiences. In this video tutorial, I will introduce some of the best live video streaming software of 2021. So let's check it out. The first one is OBS Studio. OBS is free and open source and it is fairly easy to use. Brand new broadcaster will experience a small learning curve to make the most of this software. The second one is Wirecast. Wirecast is a software from Telestream that is a great source of encoding, live streaming, recording, switching and light production editing. Wirecast expands the functionality of more basic applications like OBS Studio to include a wider range of powerful and professional tools. VidBlasterX. VidBlasterX is a versatile video production software solution for capturing and streaming everything from webcasts to live events. The next software is vMix. vMix is a live video streaming software that allows you to broadcast live productions online. It includes a wide range of excellent features and the vMix app includes regular software updates, so you can also use this software conveniently. The next software is XSplit. It is streaming software which is well designed and easy to use. It comes in two versions with a focus on live streaming in a video gaming context. FFmpeg. Similar to OBS Studio, FFmpeg is an open source option. This software includes a library of tools for recording, converting and streaming audio and video. Streamlabs OBS. Streamlabs OBS is an open source video streaming software that offers a wide range of streaming capabilities. It is free to download, but users must upgrade to the Prime version to access all of its features. SplitCam. SplitCam is a video streaming software with many functionalities. Its primary purpose is webcam splitting, which comes in handy for user. The next software is Restream. Restream is simultaneous broadcasting software that has several products for broadcasters. These includes multi-streaming, studio analytics and chat. Next software is FXhome. Are you looking for post-production software? FXhome may be the answer for you. This tool is suitable for broadcasters of every level of expertise, but its relatively high price point makes it more popular among more advanced broadcasters. OpenShot. OpenShot is a free video streaming software that is geared toward editing. It focuses almost purely on the aesthetic aspects of videos, so it is a bit different from some of the streaming tools we have discussed so far. Lightworks. Lightworks is known as the professional editor for everyone. This video broadcasting software is easy to use, yet it is powerful enough to produce high quality video content. In fact, this tool is powerful enough to support editing at a television grade caliber. Switchboard Live. Switchboard Live is a reliable platform that supports streaming to several destinations. In addition to powerful simulcasting support, Switchboard Live also has tools for video player embedding. The last software name is Prism Live Studio. Prism Live Studio is a streaming software that focuses primarily on video editing and production. This also supports simulcasting. So these are the 15 latest software that I recommend you to use, and I hope these software will be helpful for you for live video streaming. I hope this is a informative video and it helps you, and in case you like this video, just click on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos. Thank you friends, bye bye and take care.